friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's shake the pulse of stock market. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss important global situation, global scenario. Along with that, I will discuss some important news and the Nifty 50 chart, analyze the chart, and we'll discuss some important key levels for next week. So, to know the Nifty 50 levels and important update about the stock market and global market, stay connected till the end and smash the like button down. Subscribe the channel for regular index levels update and stock market news in one video. So before start, let me inform you that I already posted the Nifty Bank levels video and important news and Q4 results. All I have discussed in that video, I have posted. I'll give the link in this I button. You should definitely go through to have some important information and key levels. For key levels for that video, you should go through that video of 50 Bank video. In this video, I'm going to discuss, definitely going to discuss the Nifty 50 levels. So before that, let me discuss the global scenario. The market was rallying and it was up by 1.77%, the Nifty 50, and the Sensex was up by around 2%, and even the Nifty Bank was the outperforming, and it was even more than 2%, 2.21% it was up. That all I discussed in that video. And this if we go to the US market, we can see for the last Thursday only, yes, this was DJI was down by 1.33%, while the S&P 500 was moderate, okay, neutral, and Nasdaq was also, we can say, neutral. So but the DJI was down. So these three important US index was quite okay, and small cap we see 0.92%, around 1% up. It was so whole about this. If we talk about the global market, it was okay, moderate, but yes, Indian market was rallying, was high, was up, was try to come in uptrend. But that I will discuss in Nifty 50 chart. But before that, some more information I have to share, that is very important. First, to commodity, if we discuss the commodity, gold, you might be knowing the gold is trading at all time high. It is trading at around more than 95,000, I think 95 to 98,000. It has touched, the gold has touched. The gold is just enjoying these uncertainty in market. The people are going to the gold, and gold is trading at all time high at 95,000 plus. And the 1 lakh is not very far away. 1 लाख को बहुत ज़्यादा दूर नहीं लग रहा, बट यस अभी 95 प्लस पे गोल्ड ट्रेड कर रहा है. दैट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर द गोल्ड इन्वेस्टर. The second thing which is important, I discussed in my last video, Brent oil, which was trading at very low level, and I have discussed that chart also. That 65 was the key level for it, was resistance for the for the Brent oil, and now it has crossed the 65. Means now Brent oil has come in a good position, and it is now around 67 was low, and 68 के आसपास it was at high, this 68 के आसपास. So 68 the Brent oil has come, still it is at very good condition, good situation. It is actually low. We can say it is favorable for not only Indian stock market, even for the global market also. The Brent oil is trading at very very cheap and good levels, and this is uh, as we all know, Brent oil is a big import of Brent oil, so this is good for the all global market also, Indian market also. So these two things was very important. The more one more thing I wanted to discuss, which is US dollar. US dollar is falling. And this is also, if we say, we see in the perspective of the Indian market, Indian stock market, this is actually good for the Indian stock market. And US dollar is falling means Indian rupees is trading at around 85.5. It was high, and if we talk about low, it 85.3 tak aa gaya tha. And see, we have seen the Indian rupees at it was trading at a high which was more than 87 around, I guess. जितना कि I can remember 87 to 88 तक भी पहुंच गया था. Now it is trading at comfortable zone, which is current level. If we talk about the current level, 85.3 is a comfortable zone, means it has little bit fallen against the US dollar. So US dollar is falling and Indian rupees is a little bit strengthening. So this is also one positive news for the stock market. That's why all these things I am discussing, which is the reason for the this big rally which came in last 2 week, very sharp rally. That was the important key reason for the this up move, this uptrend. So this the third thing is currency. So if overall we discuss, I let before that let me discuss one more important reason which I discussed in the yesterday's video also. FII selling, yes, FII selling has increased last 2 week. They have the FII has bought and bought in not in more than 3,000 crore they have bought. So the FIIs has started buying, which is a good. In detail I have discussed, even I've shown the figure also. You can check that video. So that FIIs has started buying also. So that is also very positive sign for this rally for the stock market. So all these collectively took market to the upside. And now market has standing at very important zone that I will discuss in chart. But let me once again summarize the important reason for this sharp rally. Number one, this I discussed that USD INR. Number two, FIIs 3, the attractive Brent oil price. And number four is gold is also trading at all time high and trading at very good level. So these four was important reason for this sharp rally in the Indian market. Now let's quickly go to the Nifty 50 chart and we'll discuss the chart, what was happening last week, and then we'll analyze the uh, levels for next week. So I have drawn this trend line, you can see, and you can see the clear cut. This trend line is very important, and you can see the clear cut breakout happening in Nifty 50. But I don't know, as the news is every single day, the new news is coming in. So what is going to happen? I don't know. But yes, this breakout is very looking very good, and it may give a little bit more up move to the Nifty 50. And you can see here this trend line is this very good and full, we can say, a Mara Bozu candle. So this is a very good candle. If you see this lowest point, which happened last week on Monday 7th April, which I already discussed in that my last week's video, that this low point was the 21,750 around. From here, if you see, only in 2 weeks, uh, where it was so many holidays also, two holidays this week, last week one or two holiday. So in these very less trading days, the market has sharply risen from this 21,750 levels to 23,850 50 levels, means 21,750 to 20 23,850, we can how much we can say, more than 2,000 point uh, rally has come in Nifty 50 also. And this good up move is showing that now market is little bit has come in a very good condition, एक safe zone में आ गया है, it has come. But we never know, as the news is coming around about the recession in US, when this can be a trigger, and when recession. And सबसे important thing is the Q4 result, which is not satisfying, which is actually uh, till now we can say it is disappointing. So these two triggers can take market again to the साउथवर्ड जर्नी अगेन वी कैन से. बट हाँ, थोड़े ऊपर तो इसको जाना ही चाहिए, विच आई विल डिस्कस व्हाट कैन बी द लेवल फ्रॉम दिस लेवल टू दिस लेवल. इफ वी चेक, दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट 10% up from the low level, the Nifty 50, and 10% we have recovered from the low level. So this is very very positive news, and the people were disappointed with the market. Now come they have again come in the market to enjoy this good rally. So if we see, the market can कहाँ तक जा सकता है, till where it may touch in this current scenario, in for short term only, for the next week I am talking about. So for me, I can see this level is important, which is 24,200 is looking a good resistance for the next resistance for the Nifty 50. 24,200, here it may take a pause, and again may come back to this level that I will discuss the support. This is, first of all, I can see this 200 EMA can be a good support for the Nifty 50 for near term. 200 23,000, which is 23,300 around. ओके, 23,300 350 के आसपास पहले तो ये सपोर्ट लेगा, एंड देन आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग 23,300, इट मे रीच टू द 23,200 ऑल्सो, which I'm discussing for the short term next week only. 23,200 may come is if Nifty 50 taking reversal from here, or if not, it may reach, if it may reach to 24,200, and from here it may take reversal and may come to the 23,200 till to 23,200 level. And this is only short term. Okay, long term में क्या होगा, we don't know, but the geopolitical condition going on, it may again come to the 23,200 to 23 20, it may again come to 22,000 also. But there I'm not going now, not jumping on that level now. First let me discuss the weekly review, and there I can see the 23,000 can act as a good support. So for the Nifty 50, we can say that important support 23,200 after breaking 23,300, and resistance can be 24,200 around. So this I could discuss in detail the chart and the important information, important reason behind the rally. I will repeat the level again for the Nifty 50 support 23,200, and resistance 24,200. Please like and share the video for more reach, and subscribe the channel for regular index level and stock market update all in one video. Signing off.